not Hitchcock's The Birds. It's a Greek comedy.
A Greek comedy that has a lot of modern day humor.
I would say it's about two men who don't like where they live, so they want to create this new community.
And they think to themselves, let's go live with the birds.
What do you see now? Travel 2 miles back.
Listen, Bart, you're supposed to be guiding us. All you ever do is go backwards.
To think that I, a mature man, should be traveling hundreds of miles, taking directions from a bird.
He says it isn't far as the crow flies.
Because the birds, they don't have to do anything really. They don't have any responsibilities like taxes, anything like that. It's supposed to be this perfect idea, but then it ends up kind of crashing down.
And they have a lot of struggles, like facing gods and stuff.
Look, a flamingo!
Marsh bird.
A tiny
Ringdove next, then rock dove, stop dove, cuckoo, falcon, fern, crest, and willow wren.
Oh, the bird!
Show is a very heavy ensemble show, which I love because although everyone has their individual roles, we rely so much on each other. Everybody has a role and everybody has a part. Nobody goes without speaking by themselves at least once, which is an amazing opportunity for a lot of actors.
Everyone is always on stage together, well, almost always on stage together, and we're all working as a group throughout the whole thing, not just individual people like taking solos the whole time. It's a big group effort.
Well, I would just say that you will never be bored watching it. It's always very entertaining.
Dancing and they're moving around and they've got big fluffy feathery coats and
It's funny, but it has like some more like complex humor for like older people as well. It kind of matches a little bit of both.
Ready to see something high energy, if you're looking for something super serious and dark, this isn't the show.
This show is very bright. It's got a lot of color and a lot of movement, and it's just really positive and upbeat and fun.